Hey Steve, welcome to a Hopping Lover anyway, welcome to a Hopping Lover's YouTube anyway. Yep, so it's home for the Women WF9A20 9kg 300 steam wash machine, double A class and the double A class anyway, and the blowing TKF850 condenser heat double A class green plus dry anyway. Yep. So I thought I'd show you the faulty laundry of these two machines anyway. So I thought I'd do you of faulty laundry of these two machines anyway. So you have the Hotpoint 8kg triple A class HF8B593G feature is doing a load of whites. We're doing a load of whites anyway. We're doing a load of whites anyway on program number 3, which is the cotton standard 60s. But it's on program number 3, which is the cotton standard 60 degrees anyway. But yeah, it's what we see as on program number 3, which is the cotton standard 60 degrees anyway. With a super wash level, with a super wash anyway. It's on with a super wash anyway. Yeah. So yeah. Well, the temperature is at 60 degrees already though anyway. It's probably on main wash, by the way. It's probably on main wash anyway. It's washing it very nicely anyway. As you can see, the Hotpoint is washing very nicely with a load of whites anyway. And also it's got loads of towels in there as well anyway. It's got towels and bedding ads in there as well. It's got towels and bedding ads in there anyway. That's in the Hotpoint anyway. So yeah, we've got a load of towels and bedding ads in there, and whites of course as well anyway. On program 3, which is cotton standard 60 degrees with a super wash anyway. And the Hoover 8kg VHV68C is dry loads bedding anyway, which is just on an extra dry anyway, yeah. But yeah, the Hoover is on extra dry anyway. It's on the centre program here. It's on an extra dry anyway, with a load of bedding anyway. But yeah, it's got loads of bedding ads in the Hoover anyway. Got a load of bedding ads in the Hoover anyway. As you see now, the Hotpoint is doing the standard tumbles. That's doing the cotton standard tumbles, as you see it's doing anyway. As you see, the Hotpoint is doing the cotton standard tumbles. It's doing the cotton standard tumbles anyway. As you see, it's doing standard tumbles anyway. Yep, on this Hotpoint anyway. So before we quick tour of these two machines anyway. Use the Hotpoint and Hoover, of course, anyway. So before we do tour of these two machines anyway. Well, our temperature is way above 60 degrees. The temperature is way above 60 degrees on the Hotpoint anyway. The temperature is way above 60 degrees anyway. I think because on the cotton sand 60, you only have 70 degrees and 90 degrees on the cotton sand 60 anyway. Just because on cotton sand 60, you only have 90 degrees or 70 degrees anyway. Whether you can do a load of boil wash and stuff anyway. It's not really particularly a boil wash, obviously. It's not particularly a boil wash load anyway. It's not particularly a boil wash anyway. But it's not particularly a boil wash anyway of this Hotpoint anyway. I think there's going to be a comment about these two machines anyway. There's going to be a comment about these two machines anyway. Yeah. So there's going to be the comment of these two machines anyway. There's going to be the comment about these two machines anyway. Especially Florence Benny 360 might like that anyway. Florence Benny 360 might like this anyway. Like this comment anyway. I think there's going to be a comment about this, about Florence Benny 360 and then Samsung AdWash lover as well anyway. I think these two are going to love this machine as well anyway. I don't know about Florence Benny 360 because I think because he's interested in me. I think because Florence Benny 360 he's interested in Hotpoints and Mias obviously because he's interested in Mias and Mila and Hotpoint obviously anyway. But yeah, this machine here it's got a suicidal motor as you see, but it's got a sign set. It's got a coin sign to it as well. It's silent. That's what it says anyway. Never actually tried a cotton sand 60 on the Hotpoint anyway. I think my auntie's never used the cotton sand 60 anyway. Well, so I thought I'd just treat you anyway. So I thought I'd treat you showing the low whites anyway in the Hotpoint anyway, in this Hotpoint anyway. Yeah, anyway. So yeah, really like the program. It's got the essential specials and extras anyway. I think these are the programs you only get as the essentials, specials and extras anyway. When you get on the Hotpoint, and it's the only when you get on the Hotpoint anyway. But yeah, this machine here is very similar to the Interset, but this machine is very similar to the Interset obviously. I have to say that this Hotpoint is very similar to the Interset anyway, because it's very similar to the Interset anyway, because it's very similar to the Interset by the way. But it's very similar to the Interset anyway. But this is a better machine I really like though, it's the Hotpoint anyway. Because Hotpoints are one of the best machines ever, the Hotpoints are one of the best machines anyway. Better than my Blomberg obviously, Hotpoints are better than my Blomberg anyway, because better my machine though, because Blomberg WF820 is the worst one anyway, because just because I can't stand the Blomberg WF820, it's just the worst machine ever anyway. Because I can't stand that worst machine anyway, the Blomberg WF820 anyway. But yeah, the one is similar to the Beko anyway, the one is similar to the Beko, but that balancing system is very annoying on the Blomberg anyway. Pretty much said that balancing system is really annoying on the Blomberg anyway. And my auntie's Hoover of course as well anyway, Hoover DL194 D3X, and that's also the worst balancing trash ever as well anyway. But this machine here has got a good balancing system anyway. Because I like this Hotpoint because it's got a good balancing system anyway. This machine has got a good balancing system anyway, because it's got a good balancing system anyway. This Hotpoint now anyway, because it's got a good balancing system anyway. Because it's got a good balancing system anyway. Does like Instead does what the Instead does anyway. But yeah, as I said, I think Wish 2007 used to have this machine anyway, but the one in white anyway, the one in white anyway, the one I used to look on his YouTube account anyway. But I think he's still got it on there though. He's still got the Hotpoint AKG HF8B593 anyway. But I think he's still got that machine on there anyway, on YouTube anyway. Which does it in white though, but not in silver obviously, but in white obviously. Quite like the standard tumbles of the Hotpoint, yeah, that's done. This machine has got very good wash action. This machine's got very good wash action anyway. See here, that's got very good wash action. Very good wash action. Oh, we're back to Sotumbles now. As you see, we're back to Sotumbles anyway. We're back to Sotumbles now anyway. We're back to that Sotum action anyway. Back to Sotum action right now anyway. We're back to that Sotumbles anyway. Sotum action now. We're now into. Oh yeah, I like that. And it should go back to fast tumble anyway. Yeah, looks like we're back to fast tumble now, back to fast tumble anyway. Because all it does, the whole pin just changes tumbles though. I like the way the whole pin does always changes tumble anyway. The whole pin just changes tumbles anyway. I like the way the whole pin just changes tumbles on the main wash, because on the main wash it just changes tumbles anyway. Because it just changes tumbles anyway. Because I really like that obviously, because it just changes tumbles anyway. While the Hoover is just still drying with bedding in it obviously anyway. So yeah, if I get a video of that one as well anyway. Well, I think because of the Hoover one, it's very similar to the Candy, because the Hoover is very similar to the Candy anyway. Inverted one, the Hoover inverted Sun system one is very similar to the Candy anyway. Oh yeah, that's very warm actually, that dries very warm by the way. But anyway, let's see how it's doing anyway. Oh, we're very warm by the way, it dries very warm, but popping on stand tumbles anyway. You see. Look how silent that is though, look how silent motor that is though on hopping anyway. Just look how silent motor that is, and how silent that is on a hopping anyway. You better listen to that silent motor on hopping anyway, that silent motor. Some good silent that is, that's some good silent that is actually anyway. Let's put the dry back on. Still drying that anyway. So yeah, hopefully do some more washing with the hopping soon, and the Hoover of course as well anyway, yeah. So I hope you do more washing of these two machines anyway. So don't forget guys, keep it supreme and go with the hopping lover.